Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I just laughed like that, but I guess this is gonna be the introduction to my video. So hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Julia. Definitely subscribe down below and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. Excuse me? I know the munchkin. For today's video, I am obviously gonna be vlogging. Literally all of my classes are online now, which honestly I don't like that because I love separating school, work, and home as much as possible, and right now it's like I'm combining all of them. So I have been struggling, you guys. I have been struggling. Just to kind of update you guys, last week was my spring break, which sucked so much because I was indoors doing the same thing that I have been doing like since quarantine started. It has not been the most fun out here, but at the end of the day I have seen that things are slowly getting better at hospitals. So to anybody watching this that's still going through it like I am right now, like we are making such a huge impact and numbers have slowly been dropping, but that's a good sign because they could be going up and things could be a lot worse, but we're making it a lot better. It's currently about to be 12. That means I want to have lunch soon. And then my class does start around like 2. And then later today I do have a few more classes, so I'll kind of just be showing you here and there like what I'm doing with my day. This was a pretty long introduction. I just kind of wanted to catch up with you guys, tell you guys how I'm feeling emotionally. Like it's been rough, but like I said, I'm not gonna dwell too much on the negatives. I'm gonna focus on the positives. We are gonna focus on the positives, you guys. Come on. So yeah, like I said, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, because I did have one viral video and I was surprised. But yeah, so follow me on there and let's go on and get started with this college day in my life. Yeah. So first thing I want us to do, and I say us because hopefully you're doing this too if you have online classes and stuff, but I want us to clear this desk off. Let's organize our desk areas a little bit, get our mind headspace together because we're about to do some work for school and just things like that. So it's so important to kind of clear everything off and not have too much distracting you. Another thing I wanted to say, so the TikTok that kind of went viral that I posted, the main thing in that video was this like candle lighter, and it's actually so cool. I got it from Amazon. I just want to show you guys because I feel like you guys would definitely like buy this because it's not expensive or anything. It's like 12 bucks. Basically what you do is you flip the switch, not like the song. All these little lights turn on, so that's how you know it's on. And then you click this button, and as you click that button, this is what happens. That's crazy. And the best part about it is that it's rechargeable, so you don't have to waste money buying those like candle lighters that you like have to buy every few months or whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna turn on this candle right here. I can't even see, I'm like literally looking through the camera. There, okay, so yeah, that's how it works. I think it's so dope. Don't forget to turn it off though, because you don't want everything else burning. Now our little candle is all lit, which I love because I don't know, like candles just make everything better, especially now that we're stuck at home. I will have this linked down below for you guys because you need it. Stop wasting money on the ones that you have to throw away and rebuy. So literally $12. I'll have it linked down below. And then the best part about it is that you could charge it like on your laptop and it doesn't take that long to charge. My desk area is so much more organized. And I also did get myself a glass of water because we should be drinking water every day, you guys. Especially right now, you want to be hydrated and you want to stay as healthy as possible. So if you haven't drank water today, then I challenge you to get up right now and literally go grab some water and drink it, chug it. It's good for you. So I'm gonna leave that there. I actually forgot to light up my lightning bolt neon light, which I am obsessed with. It's so cute, literally. And you actually don't need batteries. All you do is plug it in to the USB, and yeah, that's it. On my desk, all I have is my essentials, my laptop, water. These blue light glasses have been saving me right now because I have been staring at screens a lot due to school and then editing, and they are from Amazon, in case you guys are interested. So yeah, I just have some paper with me, whiteout, and then sticky notes, because usually professors give you announcements in the beginning. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna get on my laptop and I'm going to check and make sure that we're still all good for class. There's been a few times, I think, where they cancel like last minute or the day before, so I just want to make sure that everything's still good. It looks like we are meeting online at 2 p.m. I still have a few more hours because it's barely like 12 right now, so I might have lunch before that. I'm pretty much good and ready to go. This assignment right here, I actually don't need to submit it. We were only required to submit like 6 assignments out of 8, and I already did the 6 assignments, so I don't need to turn that in. Something I love to do in the mornings is to check my emails. I just like to get that out of the way, because if not, they just kind of keep accumulating. Oh, I got one from YouTube. I'm also gonna do that too. I love to comment back to your guys' comments every morning. I like check if I have new comments or questions or anything, and I kind of check how my videos are doing. Yesterday I posted my pantry tour because I got a lot of really good feedback on that on both my Instagram and on TikTok. I just kind of posted it to give you guys more details and kind of go through everything. For now, I think I'm actually going to start working on a few things, a few assignments, and then I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. My mom actually made this dish. It has broccoli, Mexican styled rice, some beef, and then some homemade fries. So it looks so good. I'm honestly so hungry, so I'm excited because she cooked today. So yeah, I'm actually done eating now, and actually Andres came over. Oh wait, I got it. So yeah, Andres came over, but as you could tell, we're like 6 feet away. And also, he's only gonna be here for a little bit. He's also working on things for like his own classes and stuff. Really quickly, I wanted to unbox a package that I got from Amazon. I actually got this ring light. I've been wanting to get it for a while, and it comes with like this super cool like clicker. It also comes with like this place to put your phone and attach it to like the tripod. So I think it's so cool, and it was like under $42. I'm gonna set it up really quick and kind of get some clips so that way I could just like film a TikTok and possibly upload it later.
Self-isolated. Find ways to stay in touch with your friend, actually getting to see them.
My class actually just ended, and it also started raining as well. I did write some notes on things that are due and just things to look over. Also, I don't even think I told you guys this, but I finished up setting the ring light that I got from Amazon. I will say that it's not as big as I thought it was gonna be, but it still really comes in handy, and I can't wait to actually start using it once I start filming like more videos. I actually did film myself like unboxing it because I'm planning on doing a quick TikTok on it on like an Amazon find. Definitely follow me on there to see that TikTok. I do have another class later as well. Tell me what you're working on, sir.
I am reading for the business law.
6 feet away, how it should be.
This nice bell-shaped curve. In the middle of the curve, let's put 0.5. So this was the assumed population proportion from the Apple claim. It said 50% of young adults.
I just finished my other class that I had online. I think I'm just gonna end the video off here. This video might be a little bit shorter, but I hope you guys don't mind that. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like this video and you want to see more. Make sure to follow me both on TikTok and on Instagram. That's pretty much it for today, so I'll see you guys in my next video.